Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Sterilizing agents include. Where do you see sterilizing agents? Here, dry heat is not a sterilizing agent. Dry heat is a sterilizing agent. Dry heat is a sterilizing agent. Ethylene oxide is a sterilizing agent. Whereas ether, alcohol, and chlorhexidine, all these are actually disinfectants, not the sterilizers. They are disinfectants. So actually, what are the sterilizing agents? So if you see, sterilizing agents include, I've already wrote it. So sterilizing agents include ethylene oxide, formaldehyde, glutaraldehyde, hypochlorite, H2O2, othalic acid, peracetic acid, autoclave, hot air oven, and plasma sterilization. So all these are sterilizing agents. What are they? Ethylene oxide, formaldehyde, glutaraldehyde, hypochlorite, H2O2, othalic acid, peracetic acid, autoclave, hot air oven, and plasma sterilization are sterilizing agents.
thank you and thank you for watching.